good morning. I'm coming to you from Hattiesburg, Mississippi, home of UCF's former quarterback John Rice Plumlee. Just thought I'd throw that fact in there for anybody who cares watching. Alright, this is the Amtrak station. We're going to go ahead and give you a tour of the station real quick. Looks like we can get inside. We saw some people going in with suitcases, so maybe the train's getting ready to come pretty soon. Alright, let's go inside. Let's go check it out. Let's go make some memories.
Special shout out to our channel members. Thank you so much for all your support. If you would like to become a channel member, hit that join button down below. There are some really fun benefits. Come have a look.
Locked. So that door was locked. We know some people came in down here because we saw them going in. It says no smoking on train depot grounds. Let's see if we can get in this one. Alright, so here's our tracks. Here's your station. Wow, this looks neat. So the train that we just heard tooting was the Norfolk Southern over there. When we crossed over those tracks in the car, he had his lights on and looked like he was getting ready to move, so probably getting ready to take off. There's parking here, which is where we just came from, and it says waiting room and restrooms this way. Let's go check it out. This is a huge station, right? Look at the size of this station. It's big. This is a huge train yard they have here too. God, how many train tracks do you think there are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's at least 10 sets of rails going through here. So from the station going back across the railroad tracks this way was the downtown area, which was really cute. Looked like there was a couple of cute little like cafe type restaurants to eat lunch at. I don't know if they're open, what hours they're open or what they were even called, but we drove past a few of them. They were pretty neat. And it looked like there was some shopping and some other stuff that way too. So there's definitely stuff that's walkable from this station, which is always a good thing because you never know when you're going to have time to kill if a train is late or delayed. So there is a waiting room, it says this way. There's some sort of, yeah, there's some sort of placard up here on the wall. I'm going to go see what this says. Okay, so this says the Hattiesburg Train Depot. Hattiesburg Train Depot was designed by architect Frank P. Milburn in 1910 by Southern Railways to serve as a passenger rail for the New Orleans and Northeast Railroad. Most notable are the passenger canopy that extends 924 feet along the tracks. What you guys see here, this thing is huge. It's one of the longest stations I've ever seen. This might be the longest one we've ever been to as far as having a canopy. It's huge. And it's got a 4,000 square foot neoclassical style passenger hall. The depot is a Mississippi landmark and established by the Mississippi Department of Archives and History. Wow. And then coming down the ramp right here, you see what's in front of us. It's our wheelchair lift. I don't know why I always show these things, but I do get comments every once in a while where people say, hey, I saw the wheelchair lift. Or a couple times where I've asked, do you know what this is? And people will say it. So there's your Amtrak sign. And he graffitied it up here, Rob's Rides Taxi Service, but at the same time I kind of give him a little bit of credit because he's advertising himself, because when people get off the train you need to find a way to get to where you're going, your hotel or whatever. Okay, so this is the waiting room. It says 8 to 5 Monday through Friday. It says Hattiesburg is an unstaffed station. There's someone on duty to assist you with questions, ticket assistance, departure times. There are no baggage handlers to help, so that means there's no red cap service here. Also, there is no checked service or luggage storage. Each passenger is responsible for making their own luggage weight and requirements to get on the train. So when you come here, you gotta lift your suitcases up yourself. So you see over here on the left-hand side, that's the ticket counter, which is pretty cool. It says, welcome to Hattiesburg, Charles Patrick Harrington. I don't know who that is. And then on the right-hand side over here, there are, I see several vending machines and a bunch of benches too. Okay guys, so this is going to wrap up our quick visit here to the Amtrak station in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please hit that like button down below. It helps us out a lot. Leave me a comment. You ever traveled through Hattiesburg before? We have by car, but never by train. So it's a first for everything, I guess. Share this video with anybody you know who likes Amtrak videos, likes traveling by train, any of that kind of stuff. That would be great. Helps keep our channel and our community going and growing. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. See you on the rails. Safe travels. See you soon.